Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is the last day of my Sisterlock establishment with my client. It has been a wonderful experience. We have worked at least, let's see, 9 to 5 is 8 hours, so 8 to 5 is 9 hours. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 9 hours each day with a half hour break. So 18 minus 1. So we've been working like 17 hours. And today we are going to complete this process. Yes, I do know that the Sisterlocks class recommends 2 days for an establishment. But I decided that my body needed a break. And I wanted to take a break before I started feeling any aching in my shoulders and around this area. It can be taxing on a loctician's body establishing Sisterlocks. Not only that, but there is only a certain amount of time where the client really just feels comfortable sitting there. So the two of us established that time limit, and both of us have been pleased. Today, we are going to complete that process. And I may have my client share how she felt during the time of her establishment. So I'm getting ready to go out. I still have this braid in the top of my hair. I had it tied down for a little bit yesterday in order to alleviate some of the frizz that comes with my gray hair. Now today, I am just going to wear this style. I'm going to let that braid stay right there in the middle. And I'm going to show you my 360. And I want you to know that as I was looking at myself yesterday with my hair hanging down, I realized that I always have my hair or my hair goes where it wants to go anyway. So if I put it back this way, it is a totally different look for me. But I know my hair is not going to stay where I want it to stay. And now I realize that I like this better. So, guys, I'm going to take this, and yes, it'll be somewhat different from yesterday, because today I'm going to use my bigger, larger goodie clip. This is the only one I have with this size, and I'm going to put it back here this way. And that is my 360. Have a great day. I'll see you in the next clip in my salon suite. Okay, guys, I just want y'all to know that she must be really excited about this morning, because she's sitting in the parking lot when I got here. But we going in and we gonna get this done today. This morning I was doing a video about our 3-day process instead of the usual 2-day process of establishing your Sisterlocks. And I realized that it was easier on my body to do it 3 days, and because I never felt exhausted during the time that we were working together. And I just want to know how you feel about the 3-day process versus probably 2 days where we would be going into the night to complete this establishment.
Well, I've never had a 2-day process, but by me being a mother, a wife, I have other obligations. This 3-day process was awesome for me because when my daughter got out of school, it was like, she's finished. She's okay, we're going to start back on tomorrow. So it wasn't anything that I had to rush, or I wasn't, like she said, exhausted because I was sitting in the chair for a long period of time. By being a teacher, and sometimes we have to sit for 8 hours anyway. So this process for the 3 days, 8 hours a day, taking my normal, I just felt as though that I was still at work. And I was not exhausted. I took my little nap, and it was a awesome experience for me. So I recommend doing 3 days instead of 2 days. But then it all depends on the person. For me, this fit well for my schedule, with me being a wife, a mother, and having other responsibilities as well. It fit my schedule, and I am enjoying the process that I'm going through with my sister locks.
Okay, are you excited about wearing these sister locks?
Yes, I am. I am excited about wearing them, and like I told you, I can't wait to get my hair dyed because I get the gray out of it. But other than that, and then you told me what to do for that. Mm-hmm. So other than that, I mean, I am going to enjoy this. I was a little nervous because I am more of I don't like to have my hair in one style. I change up something all the time. I like to twist it. I like to wear it in the 2-strand twist. I like to have my afro. But I think I'm going to enjoy this process here because now I can get up, spritz my hair with water, and out the door and still look cute.
All right.
And I love it. I'm loving it. I've seen so many young ladies, older women with the sister locks, and I was sort of curious about it. What was the process? Even down to the price. I've heard so many miscommunicated or misrepresented information. But when I came and started talking to you about the sister locks, and you shared so much with me and showed the process and how you come up with the fees and the price, and everything just sort of fit within my budget, and I just love it. I'm just amazed at the transition, what my hair is going, how my hair is going to look, what it's going to do, and the many things that I can do with it. And when my husband say, "Oh, you want to go out to dinner?" I don't have to get up and say, "Well, look at my hair. What am I going to do with my hair?" I can get up and say, "Okay, let's go."
Exactly. So, that is so good. I'm excited for you.
Yes, I am.
You're starting out like me, concerned about the gray, and so that's why I just decided that I would recommend to you some things that I used in the beginning until I was able to color my hair, but then decided not to. But I could have if I wanted to. But just to make sure that you don't compromise your locks and you feel comfortable with your hair, I recommended those things, and I'm glad that you're willing to follow the instructions.
Right.
Turn that off. There we go.